Hi, my name's Jack and I'd like to welcome you to Bristol. I'd also like to introduce our brand new society called SEMS, which is for any medical students who are interested in sports and exercise medicine.
Hi there freshers, congratulations on your exam results and getting into Bristol this year. My name's Harvey and I'm running the Sport and Exercise Medicine Society for the next upcoming year. We are a brand new society for 2020, so we've got a lot of exciting things planned. Sport and exercise medicine is a field involved in the treatment and prevention of sports-related injuries, but it also encompasses other things such as cardiovascular fitness, musculoskeletal injuries, and there's a psychological aspect to it as well. So don't hesitate to put your name down. We've got a lot planned for you this year and we can't wait to meet our new society members.
Hi there, my name's Max and I am webmaster for this year, and this is Owen, Equality and Diversity Officer. So we're going to talk about the plans for this year, and so the first thing that we've got planned is a careers evening, which is really exciting. We're going to have some international professional team doctors in for that, which is very exciting.
And then we're also going to be hoping to host MSK specific revision sessions associated with the Orthopaedics Society. And as well as that, we're hoping to have a fundraiser in the spring where we'll get all our members through a half marathon or a 10k hike to raise money for our charity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching this video. We'd love to have you as part of our society. And if you are interested, please give us a follow on Facebook at the University of Bristol Sports and Exercise Medicine.